Hello everyone, I am Nicole Inciso Guevara, 29, all the way from Olongapo City, province of Zambales.
Hi everyone, my name is Ish, 25, from Upper Bikutan, Taguig City. Ish Caldura.
Hi everyone, my name is Rain Garcia from the land down under, Sydney, Australia.
Hello everyone, my name is Alain Miguez. I am 18 years old, all the way from the city of Antipolo.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Christina Pocachel. I'm 25 years young and in a place of discovery, beauty and serenity. Tara bay, atong ibay, bawal magtabay, tuloy ang paglalakbay. Bye-bye! City Leyte.
One common question lang, bakit kayo sumali ng Miss Liga?
Okay, so I have a lot of things to consider when it comes to joining this beauty fashion for this year's Queen of Quiapo Universe 2026. The moment that I wake up before New Year's Eve, I dream about God and His image of Jesus Nazareno. And I think it's about time for me, for giving me the sign to participate in this beauty fashion. Because as they always say, that many are called, but few are chosen. Out of 100 lovely candidates, if I were to become the official candidates, then definitely that would be a winner for me. I am already a winner. Giving this panata for every transgender woman in this country, isang karangalan po sa akin na makasali sa Queen of Universe Quiapo 2026. And before I leave my hometown, Olongapo City, my mom says that may God will always be with you. Yun po. Yun yung reason ko bakit nandito ako ngayon. Thank you.
Thank you, girl. Number 2.
Hi, joining Miss Gay Quiapo has been my dream ever since. Actually, today is my birthday and this is the reason why I am not able to join in the previous years because I wanted to celebrate my birthday with my family and my friends. But today, I chose my happiness and that happiness is kahit makatungtong lang ako sa stage, makapaslak ng screening, okay na sa akin. And also, para naging inspiration din sa mga batang kontesera ng Taguig. Kasi hindi naman po lahat ng mga malalaking contest may mga representative ng Taguig. Wala pong masyadong lumalabas sa taga-Taguig. Ngayon po, hindi ko po alam kung ilan kaming taga-Taguig dito. Pero I want to inspire the conteseras ng Taguig na lumabas tayo, experience natin to kasi masaya kapag lalaban tayo kasama yung mga sikat, kasama yung kilala. Kasi kung hindi tayo makikisama sa kanila sa stage, hindi tayo tatapang. Thank you po.
Hi, hello po. Way back 2015, I stand as an audience po, hiding my true identity there. And those legendary icons, beauty icons, inspired me a lot to become the better version of myself. Now, I'm stepping into the bigger milestone of my life, Miss Gay Universe, Quiapo Universe. I want to inspire others, younger generation of trans community, even with or without crown. I just want to touch their heart and to pay it forward. You know, maraming salamat.
Hello po. Bilang isang baguhan sa pageantry, isa po sa pangarap ko ang maging host sa Queen of Quiapo Universe. Dahil naniniwala ko na yung hindi ko kompetisyon sa pagandahan, ulit ko ay isang panata at pagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa mga tao. At kung papalari mo po ako makapasok sa 75 candidates ng Queen of Quiapo Universe, so bibigyan ko po ng bibigay ko po lahat ng best ko para sa pag-represent ng City of Antipolo.
Hello po, good afternoon sa lahat. Actually, I am all the way from small province of Leyte po, and this is actually my first time joining this one of the prestigious pageant, most especially it's a well-known pageant here in the Philippines. Miss the Queen Universe Quiapo, most especially, and it's such a privilege and honor for me too, na makakalaban ko po yung mga trans sisters ko po na no discrimination, no age, no age limit because everyone is everyone is actually accepted and all are equally you can actually join or bid because this pageant is for everyone, especially for LGBT community.
to be honest, I was not actually planning to join because I just had my surgery last late recently. I just came from Vietnam and most of my life I traveled abroad. So I think this is a big opportunity for me to at least also to show my love and devotion to beloved Nazareno here in Quiapo. And yeah, sana po, kung malalim ako makapasok, I will definitely gonna enjoy the show. I will be so grateful and thankful. And thank you for this opportunity po. God bless us all and Happy New Year, everyone.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Queen Casey Serena. I am 29 and I am hailing all the way from the fishing capital of the Philippines, Navotas City.
Let's do this in the beginning Filipinos way. Barbie Siay Kajun. This is Barbie Nicole Concho, 25, sa Mateo Province of Rizal.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is AC Vigo. I am 21 years old and I am from the Rice Granary of the Philippines, Nueva Ecija.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Bila Montecarlo from Marawi City.
Summer Jane Corpus, 19, Santa Mesa, Manila. I'm Kim Sumaway, 23, from Paco, Manila.
Hi everyone, I'm Shane Lian, 27, from the Plastic Festival of the Philippines, Lungsod ng Valenzuela.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Johanna Carla Alcantara Garcia, 19 from the city of Star,
Why did you join Queen of Universe Quiapo?
Hello, good afternoon. I joined Miss Gay Quiapo 2026 because I want to represent my hometown, San Narciso, Zambales. Because I want to be the next Zambalena Queen, to be the next candidate of Miss Gay Quiapo 2026. Fun fact about me is that this is my first time here in Manila competing, and I want my first time here to be this prestigious here in Miss Gay Quiapo. Another fun fact about me is that curiosity brings me here because when I was a child, I saw a lot of videos from YouTube here in Miss Gay Quiapo, and I saw that there is a Miss Gay going on, and at the same time, there is the Apple Nazareno there. So I was curious about that, and I followed the Miss Gay Quiapo 26, and I was hooked up, and now I am screening to be your next candidate of Miss Gay Quiapo. So now I know that Christmas is over, and I hope you make my wish come true to be your next candidate. Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon po. The reason why I'm joining Miss Quiapo Universe is because of one word, the resilience. I am resilient because of God who strengthens me. I've been through a lot last year. Namatayan ako ng kaibigan, namatayan ako ng parent, totally wala na akong mga magulang. Pero naniniwala ako na there is still God na may hope and may magandang bukas because I believe faith moves mountain. And
So the main reason po kung bakit gusto kong sumalang ng Queen of Quiapo Universe is that bukod sa I do join trans pageants and then avid fan po ako ng Miss Gay Quiapo. Last year, 2025, sobrang blessed ko po. Sobrang daming blessings po na natanggap and this is my way para magpakita ng pasasalamat sa Panginoon. Yun po yung pagsampa dito. Sabi nila na pag sumampa ka dito, magiging swerte ka. Pero sa akin, ito po yung pasasalamat ko kapag nakasampa ka ng Queen of Quiapo Universe. Thank you.
As a first timer here in Queen of Quiapo, lagi po ako sumasampa sa poon. Pero ngayong Miss Gay Quiapo, itatry ko po sumampa sa stage dahil alam naman po natin, kami mga baguhan, hindi naman po nakikita kung gaano kami kahina. Dahil hindi naman tayo magiging magaling kung hindi tayo makakalaban ng magaling. Dahil ito ay isang panatag para sa ating mga bakla. Dahil ito ay blessing para sa ating poong kalgapal. That will be all. Thank you.
Po, why I joined Queen of Quiapo Universe? Bilang isang kabataan at baguhan dito sa ganitong uri ng patimpala, naniniwala po ako sa sarili ko dahil isa po ito sa aking mga pangarap. Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang Miss Queen of Quiapo Universe ay hindi lamang pagpapakita ng ganda, talento at talino dahil dito natin may ipapamalas at ipapakita ang tunay na pananampalataya at pagmamahal sa poong Jesus Nazareno. Maraming pong salamat.
good afternoon, everyone. My name is JZ Ramos, all the way from Cebu City.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Nicole Gokongwei. I am from Cagalang de Tondo, Manila.
An optimist. after you to each and every one. I am Waray Ilustre Madrigal, a 30-year-old sinner. I am proud of representing a fresh flight almost for 1 hour from Catalogan City, the province of Western Samar. Good afternoon.
This is Angel Marie Santolier, 38 years old, na mula sa bayan ng may masisipag na magsasaka, bayan ng San Ildefonso, lalawigan ng Bulacan. Bulacan, babalik-balikan.
Hi everyone, my name is Yanela Cebuche. I am 25 years old from Manila City.
Okay. Again, single learner lang. Pero kung may konti lang, basta pagmamahal. Bakit gusto mo sumali na Miss Gay Quiapo?
Miss Gay Quiapo is one of the most prestigious pageant ever since, and I believe na ito ang ating ekspresyon sa translasyon. So in our community, this is our way of expressing our devotion to Jesus Nazareno.
Yes, I joined Miss Gay Quiapo or Queen Quiapo Universe. That is because, not only just because of the devotion, but I would like to shake the minds of the people that the blessing we get from Miss Gay Quiapo or the Pong Nazarene is not just a material thing, but it is us being a blessing also to other young trans women. Because just like me, I was just inspired by my #1 idol, which is Patricia Payungo, and I hope to continue that legacy. So we'll not just witness Miss Gay Quiapo in the 2028 or in the future years, but eternity.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Fresh from the city of Catalogan, province of Western Samar. This is a joint dream between my sister. My sister happens to be a trans woman. I have seen your life, sir, like Daddy, and I got inspired because I gained weight this year, but proving living testimony to each and every one that despite of your physical appearance, you would be able to show up. And this is a dream for me and to my sister. That's why I am here this afternoon, traveling from a very far province, coming here in Manila. I've been dreaming this, and please allow me to experience the wonderful experience of Manila. Travel. Thank you and good afternoon.
Lingid po sa inyong kaalaman, I am a transgender mother na kung saan biyayaan po ng dalawang anak. Lahat ko pinagdarasal sa poong Nazareno na saan nabiyayaan ako ng totoong anak ko. And then definitely, ako po ay binayaan ng sarili sa aking dalawang anak. Kaya po ako sumali dito. Gusto ko sumali. Gusto ko maging bukas ng mga mata ng bawat transgender woman dito sa ating lipunan. Na kahit hindi ka kagandahan mo yung katawan, ang mahalaga, may mabuti kang puso. At kung saan, gusto ko maging mukha ng bagong Diyosa.
Winning po is a mainstream answer, and I joined Miss Gay Queen of Quiapo Universe because of my purpose-driven mission. I joined this for the very fourth time, and I want to prove the real question: what comes after winning the Queen of Quiapo Universe? And I want to answer that if I will win the Queen of Quiapo Universe 2020.
I'm Jesse de la Cruz, 28, representing Intramuros Park area, Manila.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Young Imperial, 19, from the home of City of Angels, province of Manila. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Princess Hallelujah Kenny Anticola Jan Sabasco. I am 27 years old, from the land of the majestic Mount Mayon, Legazpi City, Albay.
Good afternoon. This is your teacher, R.C. Simon, 26, representing the smallest municipality, Metro Agupa Municipality of Batangas.
Buenas tardes, maayong hapon, okay na hapon, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Ariana Mugmoro and I'm from San Francisco, California, USA. I was born in the island of Tumiran, and I am here, well, you can say that I in
Thank you, girls. Okay, so the question is, bakit mo gusto mong sumali ng Queen of Quiapo Universe?
Thank you so much. Sa mga nakaraang taon po, lagi po kami nanonood ng joke ako na Queen of Quiapo. Sa tingin ko, it's time for me na ako naman yung panahon na wala akong kanina. As ikaw bata, kaya mo rin pala na maging parte ng Queen of Quiapo.
been joining Runway Pampanga since when I was 14 years old. I think I wanna start my journey, and I wanna start my journey here in Queen of Quiapo. So, and I will start joining beauty pageants with question and answer. So I hope you can give me a chance to walk on the stage of Queen of Quiapo.
Good afternoon. Why I want to join this Universe Queen of Quiapo? Because this is my childhood dream, and I want to represent the plus size queen. And I also believe na the Bicolanos are a dragon, and I traveled here almost 18 hours to be there. And I am fighting this not only for my queen, but also for the Albayano, now facing the alert level 3 eruption of Mount Mayon. Oragonita, Albayano, and Bicolano. Salamat.
Good afternoon again. Maybe majority will say that this is their vow, our Paul Nazareno, but I owe this to my dad. Maybe I may not have a huge fan base, but I know if I'm given a chance to be part of the country, there's a God who will contribute that to me, and a small municipality who will make me proud. And I know if I'm be the part of the 75 candidates, I will be the first ever teacher who will proud that night. In
Before I flew here, on the day of my flight from California, I received messages from my friends about the King of Quiapo. I've been following the King of Quiapo before, and actually I waited for a reason to attend tutorials for also it's my birthday so my friends and I agreed that maybe I could join this pageant as part of my Canada. I was once a student at Far Eastern University, where I took my nursing degree. And Quiapo has been part of my life. So every time I come home to the United States, to the Philippines, I always make sure that I go to Quiapo, because Quiapo is my fortress, and it's also my spiritual sanctuary. I remember in 2024, my last meditation at the Quiapo. And for all my successes as a nurse in California, I owe it to my faith. And I would like to share my struggles to all the girls out there so they can be successful in whatever they do in life. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pao Hamisala, 28, and I am from Parola, Tindoman.
Good afternoon. My name is Gid Gabiana from Barangay Batasan Hills, Quezon City.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Julia Grace T. Masumso, 24, from Carmona, Cavite.
Hello everyone, my name is Nodi Guzman. I am all the way from the global capital city of the Philippines, Taguig City.
Jean Villanueva from Barangay Payatas, Quezon City.
Bakit gusto mo sumali ng Queen of Quiapo University?
First of all po, I'm a first timer po para mag-join po sa ganitong pageant. And first po sa reason kung bakit po ako nandito is para lang po makita yung mga idol conference. And second po is para ma-fulfill ko yung fantasy ko bilang devoted po ng Paul Nazareno po. Kasi bilang as a trans po, hindi mo makakompleto yung pagiging devoto natin kapag hindi po tayo nakasampa sa stage po ng Miss Gaykia. Thank you po.
Good afternoon. I hope that you're still fine despite of the number of girls that you were able to interview. For the past 2 years, I have devoted myself as a public servant. I am the very first transgender woman to be elected as barangay official, particularly as SK Kagawad in Barangay Batasan Hills. And I would like to bring that aspect to tell people and to tell my co-transgender women that we can take spaces in the government and we can create changes in our society. Thank you so much.
Way back 2017, I am an audience when Ate Ayesha won the title. And last year, I am scared and doubt to myself that I am not confidently enough that I am beautiful. But this 2026, I would like to share that that is my first time to contribute and first panata na rin po. And the reason why I'm here is hindi dahil manalo, dahil marami po ang mga Cavite Queens just like Ate Alexis Romulo de Centino na nakilala sa pagtungtong ng Queen of Quiapo.
I think I'm joining Queen of Quiapo because I'm fulfilling the dreams of young trans women who can join because they have faced a lot of discrimination or their family won't let them or they don't have any resources. Now that I have my own resources and power to join this, let this voice be heard through my own capabilities. Thank you so much.
For me, if I've been given a chance to be in this pageant, it will be an honor to me to be a part of it. As I encourage everyone to be confident and vulnerable as I am here today. When I was a kid, I always dreamed of being a queen. But for me, crown isn't just an ornament, but a vessel for change. And as I believe that I am confident that I can show you the authenticity of a real beauty queen with the help of God. Thank you.
Donut.
Paranaque City po. And I'm 47 years of age, guys.
Mabuhay, this is Nadine Odenshaw, 19 from Tondo, Manila.
Mabuhay, Malayaw. I am Natalie Ibabaw, 25, all the way from the land of promise, Davao City. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ars Valentino, 28, all the way from the municipality of Palit, province of Pampanga.
Hi everyone, my name is Jamaica Vicente. I'm 19 years old, proud and represent Principal Manmangang Asuy, Summa Festival, Antipolo.
I'd like to join this beauty pageant simply because this is a very remembered year for me. 2025 is Lalaki year and would be a remembered year for me because when I have this feeling of discriminations or have this discrete identity, having a this identity elders as masculine before, I just comes out in my close head to simply to show in the world that is who am I as part of being an LGBT. Therefore, to conclude that I myself, a new member of the LGBT, fighting for what the right, equality for our society, and have this advocacy to stop spreading this sexually transmitted disease virus that turned out into deadliest disease. And somehow, very strong, simply empowering all the people that knew me and all those people that they knew me to look at me as Venus was a meaning. Venus signifies the goddess of love, the sex of goddess and the goddess of love, while Red signifies of being bravery with the heart.
His name is Gay Capo Tanaka. It's a blessing. But I believe it is more than that. I believe Miss Gay Capo is a great platform for us to spread and utilize our advocacy, especially as a young contender like me. I want to influence and motivate the youth transgender women like me. To inspire to motivate them. Thank you.
I joined Miss Gay because I want to challenge myself. I am inspired by our great queen, Miss RBG from Chicago, and I want to continue her legacy to a young Miss Capo. Thank you so much.
Joining this Gay Capo, I believe that this is a celebration for us, the member of the LGBT, because it's bringing us as one. But more than that, it is a celebration of our Poong Nazareno, Toong the Batang Quiapo, and what we call Panata. Joining this Gay Capo, I believe that it's not about being popular, being beautiful, or being loud, but it's about your purpose. Standing in front of you as a proud online seller for 6 years, and I am proud and humble to say that I was able to build my own dream because of online selling. And more than that, I am also a product of a broken family, but not with a broken dream. I am here standing in front of you because I want to be the voice and representation sa lahat ng mga bagong pinabayaan ng kanilang ama. Kung nandito ko, na kahit gaano kading yung mga kahapon, we can be the best version and stronger version of ourselves. But at the end of the day, we should always remember na kahit hindi mahalaga kung anong kulang sa'yo, bagkus kung sino at anong meron ka. Dahil kailanman, ititignan na po kung may kaamang na po ang Nazareno kung anong wala ka. Bagkus lang tayo panday kantay. Maraming salamat.
As a first timer, isang karangalan po na may pagmalaki ang City of Antipolo sapagkat gusto ko pong sundan ang nasimulan ng mga ninunuan namin na si Miss Christine Bartilasa Ate Eunice Aquillo, and Ate Jeff de la Serna, upang sa ganon, hindi man ako malaki nakapasok ngayon, masaya naman po ako na makasali sa inyong Miss Gay Universe Quiapo. Maraming salamat po.
Sa Park is Barangay Western Bicolan sa Gate City.
Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Garcia, 17th of Manila.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jessica Garcia, all the way from the Paru-Paru Festival of the Philippines, the city of Dasmariñas, province of Cavite.
Ariana Lopez, 26, from United States of America, New York City. Public Jeremy Adrian Reyes, 31 years of age, representing True North Strong and Free Canada.
Bawal po mag-video, ang mga pwede lang po mag-video is yung in-assign din natin. So,
Please, yun lang ako. Bawal po mag-cover nung mga ano natin,
yung mga nasa
screening.
likod po namin na hindi po part ng organizing team.
Kasi hindi po namin kasi ito ipopost sa i-upload. Baka kasi yung mga non-official, may post, tapos alam niyo naman sa social media, wala tayong
Aside from the Panata, I want to use this platform for my advocacy that focuses on safe transitioning of young trans women. I, as a medical professional, I want to inspire them and to be the voice of change and to amplify each voices that we should not risk our health for us in order to be the best version of ourselves. Thank you and good day.
Hello everyone, kaya ako po kasama yung Miss Media po. Gusto ko po na-experience na kasama yung mga candidate at mag-iisa na rin po sa panata ng Miss Media po.
I joined Queen of Quiapo to honor our what we call Panata and also to celebrate the faith, the pride, and the LGBTQ community, and also my first time joining.
Year 2020, sumali po ako sa Quiapo bago po ko lumipat papunta ng Japan, and then I prayed to the sarili na magbago na yung buhay ko, and then by that, I get married, and now I am a married woman joining here in Quiapo, and I want to say thank you to the sarili.
Well, like everyone else, I want to join Miss Queen Quiapo because we all want to do the Panata, and we all want to be part of it because all of the icons that we saw before are now thriving. But besides that, when I joined MIQ in 2023, I was bashed with a lot of Filipino pageant fans, unfortunately. But I want to prove them wrong. I am here because I want to show them that I'm beauty with vision, that beyond tradition. Thank you.
I am Sheet Alba, 28, all the way from the secret capital of the Philippines, Rahat City, province of Cavite.
Traveling almost 7 hours, including the traffic. I'm Jungle A. Recto as Jody G, all the way from the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City.
Good evening everyone, dear Mother Media,
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Bianca Fernandez, 24, all the way from Silang, Cavite.
Good evening po, this is Micaela Entera, 20 from the city of Zamboanga.
Okay, ba't gusto mo sumali na lang?
Actually, it's my first time here, joining Miss Queen of Quiapo 2025. And I traveled almost 18 hours with candidate number 48 to join Miss Quiapo. And aside from Panata, I want also to enlighten the mind of the people of our province because they banned the barangay and pageant almost 2 years. And I hope joining Miss Quiapo is the way and enlighten their minds to bring back the gay pageants in my province. Thank you.
Enjoying this pageant because this is Panata and also a pangarap. But I'm always mission, galing po ako sa Baguio for 6 hours. Hindi dahil para gusto ko lang sumali. Pumunta ako dito para i-representa ang all bisexual community na kahit sino ka, na kahit ano ka, bilang tao, lahat welcome dito. And I am saying that I am a professional drag queen and also to represent the drag community because drag is a form of art and drag is political. Thank you.
Hi everyone, actually, this is his first time din po. Kaya, yun tatanong sa mga nata. Gusto ko po i-honor, hindi lang po yung aking mga magulang, kundi po yung buong family ko po na as a Catholic po. And gusto ko po, tulad din po nila, gusto ko din po sundan po yung path nila. And for me, ano po yung ako, napagsimulan ng aking pag-aaral, hindi ka pa yung sarili.
Hello po. Way back when I was a kid, I always watched Miss Gay Quiapo every year. And it has become one of my dreams. And today, year 2020, I really want to join Miss Gay Quiapo, but I am scared to join. Because to be honest, I want to be true to every one of you. My real name is Bryce Montilla. Many people call me Korean Queen, and that is the reason why I am afraid to join during year 2020. But today, I am very proud to stand in front of you because I want to consider myself as a living evidence that every one of us can make mistakes in our own life. And also, every one of us deserves a second chance. As long as you have full devotion in your heart, nothing can stop you from dreaming. Thank you so much.
Hello po. For all the struggles and problems po na naranasan ko last year, I want to offer this to God. Because this is my panata na po since 2024, and I am blessed. And to give back, I want to join this year po to inspire people. Because I'm a product of inspiration of Queen of Quiapo po. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Carlo Avila. I'm all the way from the heart of the Philippines, Marinduque, but currently I do playing volleyball and virtual. Thank you.
Miss Carla, where's your picture? Ay, on the way na, ano na ba update ng si Babe?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kathy Wu, 24 years old from Quezon City.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Paula Shea Bermudez, and I'm 23 from Sulacocan City.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Marcy Gracias, 26, all the way from Angeles City, Pampanga.
Why do you want to join Queen of Quiapo Universe?
Parang mamita. Bakit dapat dito sila? Kasi,
Dream ko talaga siya na makasali. Tapos siguro I think maging part lang ako. At first time, okay lang for me. Pero yung goal ko talaga is hindi lang yung panata. Yung ma-express ko yung sarili.
And when I was young, lagi po nanonood ng State Quiapo. Lagi po sinusubaybayan po doon ng mga kabasang kapaklaan at sino-sino pong mga bakla. So nangarap din po ako makaapak ng station ng State Quiapo. And sana ma-film ko yung dreams ko na po. And I want to inspire to all volleyball players na nangangarap din ng mga Miss Gay and natatakot sila kasi yung feeling nila hindi nila kaya. Pero I want to inspire na kaya din nila. Thank you.
There are many reasons why I'm joining here in Miss Gay Universe and Gay Quiapo Universe because I want to be my family proud of me and also to everyone to, of course, to prove myself that I can be. And I want to be part of the call of Panata here in Miss Gay Quiapo Universe.
I've been joining Queen of Quiapo Universe for quite some time now, and it has a great experience for me to meet all my beautiful trans sisters right now, and I hope tonight lahat ng mga effort namin ay magbunga. Thank you.
Good evening, this is Alva Carino, all the way from Suman, Manga, Kasui, tayo na sa Antipolo.
Hi everyone, my name is Sena Huki from Barangay Bagong Silangan, Quezon City.
Same question.
Actually, this is my first time in joining the pageant. Actually, first time ko sumali ng isang Miss Gay Santo Domingo ng title ako. Pero gusto ko po talagang sumali sa Miss Gay Quiapo kasi ito yung bawat isa. Kasi kahit manalo ka, ang pinaka-importante nakasama ka is di panalo ka. Tsaka, ito po yung bawat isa sa amin, fantasy.
Kaya po ako sumali sa pageant nito. I just want to fulfill my dreams to be able to be second. Gusto ko po maging mahusay pa, lalo na sa pageant. And I want to be an inspiration, especially to LGBT children, for me to help them stand and be brave against different challenges in our society.
Sumali po ako ng Miss Gay Quiapo. This is my second time po. So, gusto ko pa ma-inspire yung young ones na LGBT na tulad na kaya nilang harapin yung mga hiya, tao nila na humanap sa mga tao, and also magpasalamat sa Panginoon sa mga blessings na binibigay nila sa akin. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Queen Kendra Alexa Garcia, 20, representing Payatas, Quezon City.
Good evening, everyone.
Hello everyone, buenas noches a todos. This is Emma Perez Zerton Flores, all the way from the City province of Pampanga.
My name is Praise Oliva. I'm 28 and I'm from the Business Capital of the Philippines from the province of
Bakit gusto mong sumali? Queen of Quiapo Universe 2026.
Gusto ko po sumali na Queen of Quiapo Universe 2026 because I want to embark on the journey of me in the world of pageantry. Na naniniwala po ako na hindi po lahat na nagsisimula ay wala pong patutunguhan. At patuloy rin mo ako na naninindigan na kung may pangarap ka, is abutin mo at ipaglaban mo yun. At ang Miss Gay Quiapo Universe is hindi lang siya basta pangarap, because isa siyang fulfillment for me, na mabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na makipagsabayan po sa mas magagaling, sa mas magaganda at sa mas magagaling po sa loob ng pageantry. At isa rin po ito sa mga dahilan na gusto ko po patunayan na bilang isang kabataan na may advokasya, nais ko pong maging buhay na testamento para sa kapwa kabataan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
I want to be a motivation to the young people, especially to the young people. Hindi naman masama na sumali ko sa Hindi naman masama na sumali ko sa was fear of joining the community, lalo na special needs na naman. And sabi nga nila, diba, thank you for everything. Thank you.
Well, for me, it has always been my dream to be part of candidates of Miss Gay Quiapo, ever since when I was a child. And to tell you honestly, I did stop actually for 2 years because I did study Spanish language. And now I think this is my biggest comeback, joining in the biggest platform here in the Philippines. And if not now, when? So I think this serves as motivation for me in order to prove to all people, especially my handlers, our friends, as well as for my family, that I am. Thank you.
After winning Miss Gay Pampanga in 2024, I decided to step up and challenge myself. Many people in Pampanga are doubting my capabilities after winning in 2024, and I am here proving what my capabilities are. And I am here because I wanted to be able to show up when I am who and what I am. And I know that this pageant already opened up opportunities and open doors for the trans things that we have right now. And with all honesty, I want to be able to. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Salan Garcia, 21 años, mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, Malawigan.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Ashley Elise Elisa, 18 years old, from Condom, Manila.
Hello, my name is Kaido Kista, 20 years old.
Hello everyone, this is Maria Aisha Ayala from Mountain Tribes in Tamarao, province of Occidental Mindoro.
Okay, why do you want to join this year's pageant?
Though it's my first time, this is really very personal and close to my heart. Ever since I've been doing my own profession of faith every night of January, joining different the usual traditional Christmas short. And this time around, I want to add one more thing on my bucket list every night of January or every celebration of the Feast of the Baptist Nazarene by joining Miss Quiapo Universe 2026. Because this is me more of giving back sa lahat ng blessings na naibigay sa akin ng Lord. Because this is the most important way for me to show my gratitude and also start the year right for 2026.
Hello po. I believe kaya po kung gusto po sumali sa Miss Kenya po, hindi po para sa fantasy at makilala ako. Dahil gusto ko po sumali sa Miss Kenya po, iparamdam ko sa sarili ko na malakas ang loob ko na kaya ko magpagsabayan sa mga legendary queen. Dahil sabi nga po niya sa Tiklara Matisido sa akin na kaya ko umakit sa stage na inlalaban ko.
Well, actually joining Miss Great Quiapo this year is such a big challenging for me because remember I think after I joined MFPH, I heard that I will no longer join the Bayan pageant. But I'm so sorry to say I cannot stop this tradition because this is very important for me. This Miss Great Quiapo is such a big part of me as a contestera, and I cannot call myself as a contestera if I don't win this year. And actually, I came back here and I was third runner-up last year, and the reason why I came back because I want to get the major crown tomorrow, so I hope to start alignment. Thank you. Hello everyone. Why I would like to join Queen of Quiapo? First, I started joining Miss Great Quiapo last 2017. The second time as 2024. So, why I go back to join Miss Great Quiapo? It is because of the experience. It is because of the sisterhood. It is because of the spirit of Black Nazareno. Why I go back and I would like to go back to join Miss Great Quiapo. It is because I would like to show not just only my ability, also to use my voice and to prove to myself that if they can do it, I can do it also. Thank you.
Hello mga tao, this is Angel Galang, 24, all the way from Mahalcong, Manila.
Hi, I'm Cyber Sia, 20. I'm also from San Pablo State.
Hi everyone, my name is Sandra Bernardino, 28, all the way from Tanay Rizal.
Why do you want to join this year's pageant?
Okay, so Angel, why do you want to join this year's pageant?
Yes.
Nahihirap ko pang drag race, charisma, uniqueness, nerves, and talent. Papakita ko yun sa Quiapo. Bye!
May gusto ko, gusto ko lang gusto ko nung bata pa na.
I want to join Queen of Quiapo because I am capable, physically, mentally, emotionally, and communality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Naomi Cavadwanger Sigan, all the way from the Rice Granary of Quintmaster of Southern Tagalog and the rest of Lanyan, Mount Halcon, Tamarao, and now in Oriental Mindoro.
Hi everyone, my name is Joan Crisostomo Saez Lopez. I'm 25 years old and I am representing Tondo, Manila.
Good evening everyone, my name is Nadi Marie Fernandez. I'm 34 and I'm from the City of Life, Binyan City, Laguna.
The reason why I'm joining this kind of pageant is a sign that it's my dream and this is the first time for me to join a prestigious pageant. But also, as you all know, I came from the province where transgender Kapisara are not usually seen competing this such of prestigious pageant. So that's why I am here, standing in front of you, even though I waited for almost 24 hours because of just to be here. Dala-dala ang bawat pangarap ng mga sakabang na aming Loreno. Dahil alam ko sa sarili ko, ang pangarap ko ay hindi na para sa akin. Pangarap ko ng bawat bakla na nagula sa ito.
The reason why I joined Korean Catholic Universe was because I really wanted to break any barriers that I encountered before right now. So, as you already know guys, sobrang alam ko ng problema yung naranasan ko ng 2025. I had handled or I've been with family problems and I'm currently I am in a process of grieving right now for having experience break up with my ex right now, and I really wanted to take this opportunity to break any barriers and maging better version ng sarili ko, hindi lang basta yung parang hindi take seriously. Kaya nilagay ko rin ito sa papel is life is better on Saturday because at the end of the day, kailan mangyari, life is getting better. And I really wanted to get in touch with my faith with God. That's why I really wanted to join this. Yeah. Not just really for the community, but of course for myself.
I joined Pinos Quiapo Universe because it's like Manata. And pero hindi ko rin sa enjoy every moment. And I go with sa blessing. So, gusto ko lang talagang Manata kapasabata ko ito. At ipakita rin na ayaw kong ulit dahil gusto ko ito. Gagawin ko ito hindi lang para sa akin, para din sa mga pininiwala sa akin.
Hello, good evening. This is Joshua Bong, 25, from Dragon City.
Buenas noches a todos. This is Ian Guinelo Cox, 26, and I'm representing from the Asians Latin City from Buanga City.
Ngayong bago na everyone. My name is Barbie Cyril Sario, 27 from the province of Pangasinan.
Good evening everyone. This is Billy Lubitanyada from Tarlac Province.
Good evening. My name is Claire Arellano, all the way from United Arab Emirates, Dubai.
Good evening, Quiapo, Manila. I am Seika Mitch Fernando from the city of Las Piñas. Hi, good evening. This is Pete Bernardino, 25 from Caytanza.
It has been 6 years since I've joined Queen of Quiapo, and it has been 6 months since the last pageant that I have joined. I believe that Queen of Quiapo is the best redemption pageant for me, and the bigger the platform it has, the bigger the influence it could be.
Well, I'm from Zamboanga City. And Miss Gay Quiapo is one of my dreams. That's why I am here. And I want also to challenge myself to join pageant in other cities, not just within my hometown. I am here not just because of I think that this is a competition. Because a true queen, it's all about helping someone to win or to become victorious also in their life. January is my first month. And to be part of the Miss Gay Quiapo is the best gift that I have ever. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I want to join Miss Gay Quiapo as someone who is indigenous Catholic, and Pangasinan is known for our religious Manawan or how we call her African. I wanted to show people that I can celebrate my identity as a transgender woman, and I can celebrate also my love for Jesus at the same time. And I think that people should think that there is nothing wrong with that. Being a Catholic and a transgender woman at the same time. Thank you.
Thank you. In 2024, I did not make it to the semifinals. 2025, I was ranked 6th and failed to reach the top 5. And this time, 2026, I'm hoping to win. So let me win, please.
Hello, as a first timer in trans pageantry, I think it is my comfort zone to go out in my comfort zone and to start pageantry and stop drugs and just to start pageantry this time. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. As a young Montessera, I wanted to join Miss Gay Quiapo, not just for my childhood dreams, but for a purpose. I am an animal welfare advocate from the city of Las Piñas, and I wanted to join Miss Gay Quiapo to be the voice of all the animals. I wanted to be the voice of the voiceless. And this platform, this is a perfect avenue for me to showcase my advocacy, which is protecting animals' rights. I am fighting for their rights. I am fighting against animal cruelty. We all know that Miss Gay Quiapo is a big competition, and big platform is for a bigger purpose. That's why I need to join Miss Gay Quiapo because I am fighting against animal cruelty. Thank you and good evening.
To be honest, this is my second time to join Queen of Quiapo. And last week, if like ako pinalad, kami lang po yung naipili sa pita. So I promised to myself na mas babalik akong cute ngayon. And this is my goal po na mapasaya ko po si Mother Claude. Kasi ito po yung pangarap niya na rumampa ako sa Miss Gay Quiapo. Thank you po.
Girls, thank you.
Number 96, next. Miss Josh Rebel. Okay. Number 84, Miss C. Garcia. Next, number 50, Miss Mateo Calamba Olasiman. Next, number 64, Miss Paula C. Bermudez. Next, number 38, Miss Jessica Garcia. Next, number 25, Miss Ariana Riri Mokoro.
Parang nag-graduate.
Next, number 24, Miss R.C. Simon. Next, number 15, Miss Johanna Carla Alcantara Garcia. Next, my beautiful daughter, number 7, Miss Barbie Nicole Gondra. Ayan, may beautiful ha? May beautiful. Next, number 4, Miss Ella Enriquez. Next, number 19, Miss Angel Marie Santillan. Angel Marie Santillan, the trans mother. Next, number 86, Miss Rita Marasigan. Nasa si Miss Rita Marasigan? Please, pila po tayo. Next, number 90, Miss Nati Marie Fernandez. Next, number 81, Miss Angel Galang. Angel Galang. Next, number 85, Miss Sandra Bernardino. Next, number 79, Miss Mikay Bautista. Next, number 133, Miss Abby Salye. Doon sa tukhang pila sa tukhang. Next, number 76.
The beautiful daughter. Beautiful.
Solen Garcia. Next, number 80, Miss Maria
Pasok.
Next, number 73, Miss Kay Montero Torres. Next, number 74, Miss Prey Salakila. Miss Prey Salakila. Salakila. Miss Prey Salakila. Next, number 69, Miss Alwalin Carino. Next, Miss Alwahid. Okay, next, number 63, Miss Kat Vigo. Simon Iglesias. Next, number 56, Miss Reyes Sulaman.
And very beautiful. Suwaimba. Asan yung hormones mo? Asa daw? Alagang ano yan? Alagang, hashtag. Alagang Mama Malena.
Okay, ladies, ito na patawagin na namin ang ating